You know, when you're riding a bike, you always have to deal with dogs. And I didn't know how to handle dogs at first. First I would holler at them and sometimes they would stop dead in their tracks, and you get to know certain ones, what they'll do. With little ankle biters, I find that a lot of times if you just stop, they look at you like, "What are you doing? I don't know what to do because you stopped." So that's always an avenue. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. And then these other dogs, these dogs here, they just wanted to be petted. They didn't even want the, seemed like they were too interested in the treat at all. They just wanted to be petted. Yeah. I tried to whistle, and it seemed to work for some dogs, but for other dogs it just made them mad and made them more aggressive. For a lot of dogs, you can give them a doggy treat. I got 3 or 4 dogs that are trained now. They used to come and they used to chase me the whole time I rode by. Now they sit by the road and they just wait for me to come. And when they see me coming, they get coming out on the road and they kind of walk out to me. And I throw them a treat, and they're happy. So that's the way I'm handling it. I always try to get there before they do. Usually if you can get ahead of them with an e-bike, you can outrun them. This is the way I handle dogs now. On big dogs like Rottweilers and things like that, I don't like to stop because, you never know what they're going to do. But anyways, that's how I handle dogs. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for watching.